Okay, so for the area of special shapes, there is 3 rules that we're going to learn. So the first one is the area of a trapezium, not a trapezium, trapezium. Then we're going to do the area of a parallelogram. And the final one is for any quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So, for a trapezium, remember a trapezium is when we have a pair of parallel sides, so I'll mark these as parallel, but the other pair of sides doesn't have anything in common. They're not necessarily the same length, they're not necessarily parallel. In order to do this, I need to know 3 things. I need to know the length of the top, I need to know the length of the bottom, and I need to know the distance between those 2 sides. For the area of a trapezium, the area is 1/2 of top plus bottom times height. We sometimes write this as area equals top plus bottom over 2 times the height. Either way is acceptable. Parallelogram is when we have 2 pairs of parallel lines. So not only is this pair parallel, we also have the other pair running parallel. For this, we only need to know 2 things. Because the top and the bottom are actually going to be the same length, all we need to know is one of those distances, and yet again, the distance between them. For this one, seeing as how we only have 2 distances, it's much easier. Area is base times height. And then remember that a quadrilateral can be any 4-sided shape. It does not matter if any sides are parallel or any sides are the same, anything like that. All we need to know for the quadrilateral are the 2 diagonals. They're called diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Doesn't matter which is which, obviously. And so our area is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2.